So you should complete this table using Desmos to help you and notice some observations. And what you should conclude at the end of this is that if my quadratic is in standard form, so this is standard form, then C is always going to be my y-intercept. So my y-intercept will be 0, C. If I'm in factored form or root form, then this tells me my x-intercepts, and they're always going to be alpha and beta. Notice the signs are opposite. So for example, when I look at this one, my x-intercepts should be -2, 0 and +3, 0. I don't see a C value here, so to find the y-intercept, I just plug in x equals 0. When x is equal to 0, I'm going to get negative times 2 times -3, so I get +6. So I multiply the negative times the 2 times the -3 because the x equals 0 is like it just goes away. So to find the y-intercept, plug in x equals 0, and we are always going to find that the y value is going to be a times negative alpha times negative beta. Notice that negative is going to go away, so a times alpha times beta is always going to be your y-intercept. If I have a quadratic that's in this form, so let's look at that one. That was 2 times x minus 2 squared, I believe. Yep. So notice I have only one x-intercept, and that's because my vertex is on the x-axis. So if I'm in this form, I have only one x-intercept, and it's equal to the vertex. Now if I'm in this form, down here where I add a number, so 2x minus 5 minus 1, now these numbers, the 5 and the -1, end up making my vertex. So this form is vertex form, 5, -1. Back in root form, the x-coordinate of the vertex is always between alpha and beta. So the x-coordinate of the vertex is alpha plus beta divided by 2. It's the midpoint of alpha and beta. All right, so those are some general notes about what we notice from the formula. Now we're going to apply that to these parabolas, and I'll do that in a separate video.